Hey YouTubers, Chris Willett here from Notes from a Vagabond. Today I'm making a short little video of this water filter system I made or put together for the RV. This is the one they sold us. This unit here is about 30 bucks, and then it has this pressure gauge, but it's just set at one pressure. So I wanted something that would filter better, and I can adjust the pressure better. Just a way better unit, plus these cartridges are going to be a lot cheaper than replacing these all the time. And I'll go a little bit over it. This is pretty simple project. So what I did is I put a pressure gauge that you adjust using a screwdriver here, and then I got these two clear filters from Home Depot, and they came with this mounting bracket. So I put that on a board, and the reason I put it on the board is I like hanging it on my tire like this, but if I want to, I can take it off like so, and I can stand it on the ground just like that. So that's pretty simple. So like I said, I made this unit so if I need to, I'm someplace strange or something, I can always stand it on the ground like that. Or as you can see here, I put this wire on it so I can hang it on my tire, so it's more out of the way most of the time. So it just goes on like that and hangs. So just a rundown of how I'd call it assemble it. I put quick connectors on both sides for the hoses. So if we're taking off going somewhere, it's real easy to disconnect. I got a pressure gauge. I got this from Amazon, about 30 bucks. Like I said, you can set the pressure how you want it. You know, I can set it at 30 pounds or 50 pounds. You're not supposed to go in this trailer past 45 pounds of pressure. I got these two GE water filters at Home Depot. But what I really liked about them and what I wanted was the clear bottles, so I can see if they're dirty or not. And then the filters that came with them were just sediment filters. So I bought this other combination package of one sediment and one that removes, you know, like bacteria and, you know, a bunch of the nasty stuff. And they told me to put that stuff in the first one and the sediment cartridge in the second one. So that's how it's set up. So just quickly for costs. So all in all, I got 30 plus the filters were 30. That's 90 there. 15, 115, about 150 bucks to make this system, you know. But it's a real straightforward project. Just make sure you use a lot of Teflon tape so you don't get this all together and you know, it leaks or something. The other thing about these things here, they do have a shut off. So if I wanted to, I can, you know, turn off the pressure, but when I'm removing it, I could just shut this off and just need to drain the one instead of draining both of them. But it's real easy. You can just unscrew these to drain them. But I'm real happy with this. I think my water will be about as clean as I can get it. And that's what I'm looking forward to. You know, when you travel in an RV, you're at different places, you know, and like, let's say I need a filter for rust, I could change this out for a rust filter, or just different places will have different, you need different filters at different places. Anyway, if you like this video, you know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below. You might have suggestions for other people. And I really appreciate you watching. Bye now.